Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to jailbreak an iPhone 8 running iOS 16.7.10 using WinRain. This method is simple, but you must follow each step carefully to avoid issues. Before we begin, there are a few important things you need to check. First, make sure you are using a USB-A to Lightning cable. A USB-C to Lightning cable will not work with WinRain. Second, if you have ever set up Touch ID or a passcode on your iPhone 8, you must reset your device before proceeding. Skipping this step could cause issues during the jailbreak process. Lastly, ensure your iPhone has at least 10 gigabytes of free storage for the rootfs process. This is crucial to avoid errors and ensure a smooth jailbreak. Once you've confirmed these requirements, you're ready to move forward with the jailbreak process. Now, open any browser and search for WinRain. Download it just like I'm doing here. Since I already have it, I won't download it again. Once you've downloaded WinRain, extract the folder and open it. Inside the extracted folder, you'll find some important drivers. Make sure to install the USB DK driver and the iTunes driver before proceeding. These are necessary for WinRain to detect your device properly. Once you've installed the drivers, open the WinRain 2.1.exe file and connect your iPhone to the PC. Now, click on PaleRay1N 2.0.0 Beta 7/8. If the rootful option isn't available, close WinRain and open 3U Tools. Put your iPhone into recovery mode, then reopen WinRain, just like I'm doing here. Click on PaleRay1N again, check the USB DK option, and select the rootful method. Also, check Create Fake FS. Then click Next, followed by OK, and click Start. Now you need to hold the power and volume down buttons for 3 seconds. After that, release the power button, but keep holding the volume down button, just like I'm showing or as instructed in the WinRain app. With the correct timing, the process will take about 10 minutes to create the fake FS folder. Be patient and make sure to follow the steps carefully. Once the first process is completed, unplug the iPhone and plug the cable back in. You'll need to repeat the same steps. Go back to 3U Tools and put your device into recovery mode again. After putting it into recovery mode, open WinRain and perform the jailbreak process once more. This time, uncheck the Create Fake FS checkbox before starting. Follow the same process as before. Hold the power button and the volume down button for 3 seconds. Once those 3 seconds pass, release the power button, but keep holding the volume down button for an additional 10 seconds, or until the app instructs you to release it. This timing is crucial for the jailbreak process to succeed. Once the jailbreak process is completed, your iPhone will reboot. When it does, you'll find PaleRay1N on your home screen. Open PaleRay1N, and from there you can install either Cydia or Zebra. It's up to you which one you prefer. Just choose and install the one you like. Once the installation finishes, your iPhone is officially jailbroken. You're all set to enjoy the full benefits of having a jailbroken device. You can now install tweaks, customize your iPhone, and enjoy all the freedom a jailbreak provides.